let's begin talk about completeness. Completeness fundamental trend also, and completeness have several rules. Completeness corresponds with our modulus curve because we consider evolution techniques from easy shape, from easy form to complicated form. Form with using of some source of energy and motor. In first step evolution, we can have only working tool.
스커버도 관련되겠죠. 초기에는 워킹프로 나왔을 거예요.
And transmission.
가면 갈수록 뭐가 될까요? 포함되기 시작하겠죠. 성숙될수록.
During evolution, we can increase our level of completeness and insert working tool, transmission, and so, for example, engine. In next step, we can insert working tool, transmission, engine, and source of energy. And last step is a robotic system. A robotic system have full set of elements in technical
로보틱 시스템이
absorb super system every element. Right now, let's do easy experiment. I'll show for you some objects. You see, you have this picture in presentation. What's similar from this set of elements, set of objects? What's your opinion?
윤 박사님 보여주는 그림은 거기는 여러 가지 물건들이 있죠, 그렇죠? 그 물건들의 공통점이 뭘까요?
What your opinion about what's similar? You see balls with air, you see spring, you see accumulator, you see electrical battery, you see dynamo, you see fire, you see balloon with big pressure, you see heater, you see lamp. What's similar?
Energy transform.
Transform, yes. Transform, yes. And hold of energy also. But
Source.
regarding to model of completeness, what is it?
엔진.
Energy source.
Energy source, yes, of course. Same, please. Source of energy. And it is typical source of energy for increased completeness of every element. We can increase completeness for every technical system. What do you think? Can we insert engine in chair? Yes, of course. We can insert chair in.
우리 의자에다가 엔진 집어넣을 수 있나요? 의자 중에서 있나요? 네.
You know example, right? You have been in dentist and you remember chair in dentist.
치과 가시면 오라내라 하는 것도 있죠, 그렇죠?
Can we insert engine in table?
테이블에다가 집어넣을 수도 있나요? 엔진?
You have been in hospital.
영업
And you
수술에
remember table for surgery operation with engine also. In every technical system we can insert some source of energy because it is a rule in evolution. Technique like insert some source of energy. I mentioned about different level of completeness. And right now let's do easy experiment. I'll show for you several examples. And after this I'll ask you where level of completeness was higher. Okay?
몇 개 예를 보여주시는데요. 어느 물건이 더 완전性높은지 한번 찾아보라는 겁니다.
It will be example number 1. Yeah? Okay. Remember, what is it example number 1?
프로펠러네, 프로펠러.
Example number 2. I have helicopter, I have special device, and I must push it, but I not will fly because it is dangerous. Okay, it will be example number 2. Example number 3. Example number 3. And you see aeroplane. Aeroplane. In this aeroplane, we have propeller here, we have battery here, motor here, and we have metal thread. Motor revolve metal thread and deliver mechanical energy for
저
propeller.
선을 통해서 결국은 에너지 전달돼가지고 도는 거예요, 안에 프로펠러가.
And in this case, we can obtain process. Necessary. Return correct signal.
컨트롤 시스템이 안 들어오는 거죠.
Okay. Great.
Okay, it will be example number 3. Example number 4. Okay. You consider, for example, where ideality higher, completeness higher?
Number 4.
It is absolutely clear because in every example, where located source of energy? It is my muscles. Yeah? Where located source of energy? In technical system also. But here it is muscles, here it is electrical. In first example, where located?
Next.
Thank you. Here, where located source of here, in muscles. All sides.
컨트롤 시스템 갖고 왔어요.
Yes. Okay. It is not so much difficult trend for understanding, but in this trend we can find several category mechanisms. And let me deliver for you information about these mechanisms, and after this we will repeat our experience. I spread in class every example, and you will think how you can increase completeness for every object.
몇 가지 예를 좀 더 보여주시고요. 우리 똑같이 실습한 것처럼 또 나눠주실 거예요. 생각해 보라고 할 것들.
And let me say about several mechanisms. Mechanism number 1, directly increasing of completeness. Directly. Directly means insert motor for main function. For main function. It is directly, right, because we insert motor and function flower obtain very high level of completeness. By the way, next step of evolution, it is robotic system. For create robotic system, necessary include here control system. What does mean control system? It is some sensors, some processor. Sensor can be recognize obstacle and do feedback and change trajectory of these objects.
첫 번째가 우리가 하는 죽이는 관련된 구성요소를 직접적으로 집어넣는 것들 자체가 흔하게 나타나는 기본적인 형태죠. 기본 형태죠. 뭐 모터를 집어넣었던, 뭐 컨트롤 시스템 집어넣어서 죽이는 걸 좀 더 원활하게 수행하도록 하는 것 자체가 첫 번째 패턴입니다.
Directly increasing completeness for knife, not so much big problem. I think you remember this device from your apartment. It is knife also. We directly increase completeness. We increase capacity dramatically.
일반 칼 손으로 할 필요 없이 믹서 완전성을 또 추가시켜가지고 있죠. 모터 집어넣고 에너지 소스 집어넣어서 돌게 하는 거예요. 에너지가.
And here, source of energy located in technical system, engine located in technical system, but source of energy located in vocal cell. In vocal cell.
일반적인 믹서가 수령 믹서가 아니라면 뭐죠? 엔진은 안에 들어가 있지만 소스 에너지 어디 있어요? 우리 밖에 있는 것은 뭐죠? 컴퓨터 이용을 쓰잖아요.
Next step evolution, insert source of energy in technical system, similar as in this knife. It is knife also. This knife
부풀하게 자르는
removed
칼이거든요.
some balls,
예.
remove some balls from surface of clothes.
예.
You know.
저것도 밀폐로 바뀐
If you
기능이죠.
want
자르는 거잖아요,
use,
그렇죠?
you obtain
이상 기능이죠,
small,
그렇죠?
and it is device for you. Absolutely
근데 뭐가 돼요?
seamless shaving.
소스가
Shaving
되는
for
되니까
clothes.
그 완전성 자체가 보니까 더 완전성이 높은 거죠.
But there is next important mechanism how you can increase completeness. You can increase completeness via operation with transmission. Operation with transmission.
두 번째가 이제 트랜스미션을 갖다가 좀 변화시키는 것들, 보완시키는 것들 하는 것들. 예, 그게 또 자주 등장하는 완전성 트렌드의 패턴입니다.
What is mechanism number 2? Operation with transmission. If you can see the knife, you can define who is working through. This part it is working through. What does mean transmission? Transmission have very easy function: delivery energy, information, delivery substance to working through. In this case, we must deliver energy. Holder, it is transmission, and my hand, it is engine. Source of energy, it is my muscles. Control system, it is my eye and my brain. But you know evolution of technical system. Every customer dream about increasing of comfortable, portable, big size. You remember, in our benchmarking analysis, we define it as very popular disadvantage, big size, solution via using of principle 15, dynamization.
저는 점령세 나온 게 왜 그러는 거죠? 쓸 때는 크고 갖고 다닐 때는 편하고 작아져야 되는 거죠, 그렇죠? 예. 그럼 뭐가 되는 저것도 우리 트랜스미션을 바꾸는 거래요, 그렇죠? 트랜스미션의 변화를 주는 거래요, 맞나요? 변화를 준 거래요.
But in dynamization, it is not so much. We obtain again new disadvantage. New disadvantage. We need spend two hand for open. Popular disadvantage.
손으로 얼굴 갖고 하는 것도 불편한 거거든요, 그렇죠?
체크나요.
그렇죠. 땡라이.
And for kill this disadvantage, you know solution. Yeah, we must insert spring here, and it will be increasing of completeness. But spring for open and closed, spring for open and closed, spring for open and closed. It is not main function. Main function cut, and directly it is mechanism number 1. It is increasing of completeness via mechanism.
스프링이라는 에너지 소스를 같이 집어넣어서 저걸 때 하는 거지만 열보다 끈끈하게 하는 거지만 그럼 뭐가 되는 건가요? 죽이는 건 아니죠, 그렇죠? 죽이는 게 아닌 여는데 보조 기능을 갖다가 보조 기능을 보완시키는 경우가 되는 거예요.
Operation with transmission. And today you educated guy, you have education about level 1, and you know we can change kind of movement. Here it is pendulum movement. Pendulum movement, it is not full revolving movement, but there is forward movement, and you can immediately calculate operation with transmission via using of forward movement. Again one hand, again spring, again one hand. Yeah. Open, close. Operation with transmission.
동작을 변화시킨 거죠, 여러분. 4가지 발명을 했던 것처럼 직선 운동, 진전 운동, 회전 운동, 마찰 운동, 하동 운동, 운동을 바뀜으로써 여러 가지 다른 형태를 만들 수 있는 거예요.
Next important mechanism for practical application of completeness, create merging with system who have more high level of completeness. Merging with more high level of completeness.
완전성이 좀 더 높은 다른 시스템과 합쳐지는 현상들. 세 번째 나오는 패턴입니다.
With engineering system with high completeness. Easy examples how we can do it. Well, for example, it is knife with spring, it is operation with transmission, but this knife have lighter. What is it lighter? Lighter have source of energy. And after merging, we obtain system with more high level of energy as knife before. For example, you can compare similar knife. It is knife with spring in transmission, it is knife with spring in transmission. But here, we increase ideality we are merging this technical system with more high energy because lighter have source of energy. Similar situation if you consider pencils. Pencils and lighter. For example, it is pencil, but we can do merging between pencil and lighter, and you see, if when I push, I can obtain light. Because here we have flashlight have battery. Total completeness increased. Here absolutely similar. Pencil and lighter. Pencil, battery finished. Pencil and lighter. Okay, and last example, last mechanism for increasing of completeness. You can found if you remember about using of resources from environment, using of additional source of energy from environment.
네 번째 나오는 것 자체가 우리 주변 환경으로부터 추가적인 소스 오브 에너지를 갖고 오는 겁니다. 네. 소스 오브 에너지를 갖다가 환경으로부터 갖고 오는 겁니다.
Additional source of energy from environment. Maybe easy example for illustrate. I can found here. It is machine for removed waste, for removed water.
싱크대 하수대 있죠, 그렇죠? 거기서 음식물 싱크 위에 물을 갖다
Food waste located here, and we need very fast drying this food waste. And please consider, here we have motor. We have motor in transmission area because I deliver energy, but we have additional energy. We have additional energy from gravity fields because centrifugal forces removed it. Why? Because water have weight located in gravity field, and gravity field removed this water. We have three sources of energy. One source of energy located in super system, it is my muscles. Next source of energy located in technical system, it is spring for help me in transmission. And source of energy number 3 located in super system, okay.
사람의 심과 그다음에 저 손잡이 안에 있는 트랜스미션 안에 있는 스프링과 복신이 있죠, 그렇죠? 그걸 이용해서 원심력을 만드는 거죠. 그간에 음식물 찌꺼기 물리가 있으니까 세 가지 신이 같이 작동이 돼가지고 결국은 물기가 돼가게 되는 거죠. 여러 가지 소스 오브 에너지가 있는 거죠.
Please remember example from our previous set, from our previous topic. Example about autogir. Autogir, it is not helicopter, because autogir have.
오토자이로 기억나시죠, 그렇죠?
It is merging of alternative system. It is propeller with motor. Propeller with motor move object, and we obtain immediately resources of energy from environment. Energy flow of air. Energy flow of air revolve propeller, and we obtain additional source of energy.
오토자이로가 날아가야 에 따라서 당연히 그 공기를 맡으겠죠, 그렇죠? 그 공기 흐름을 이용해서 위에 있는 프로펠러 돌게 만드는 거죠.
By the way,
환경에 있는 추가적인 그런 공기 흐름이라는 에너지를 이용하는 거죠.
Autogirs very attractive direction in small aviation because autogirs spend low energy for flight.
그러다 보니까 뭐가 돼? 큰 비행 물체에 못 쓰지만은 작은 비행 물체에서는 굉장히 에너지 높게 이용될 수 있는 그런 이동 수단이겠네요.
Because we have two sources of energy. One source of energy for money, it is propeller with engine, and free of charge source of energy from environment for revolve propeller of autogir and obtain new power.
당연히 엔진으로 작동된 프로펠러도 있지만은 공기 흐름에 의해서 추가적 작동될 수 있는 장치가 있기 때문에 더 효율적으로 운행될 수 있는 그런 장치가 되겠죠.
Who Who can be typical friend? Let's consider a typical friend. No, most of all, it is gravity field. It is free of charge energy. Yeah. How we can follow to mechanism number 4? Gravity field. Very important.
중력을 이용하는 게 아주 흔하게 발생되는 현상들이 있고요. 중력을 많이 이용하는 아마 아이들 내보세요.
Gravity field, you remember what is in gravity field. Free of charge energy. Move of object we are using of gravity.
중력이 있기 때문에 어떻게 작동되는 거죠? 그렇죠? 이런 넘어갈 때 뭐가 될까? 이렇게 무거운 쪽이 멋지도 내려갈 거 아니에요, 그렇죠?
What kind of principle, by the way?
몇번 원리죠? 그러게 중력을 이용한 중력 회피해라 몇 번? 8번. 넘버 A.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. Number 8, consider possibility using for free of charge energy. Next, who can be friend? Sun radiation. Yeah. Solar battery.
Sun radiation도 우리가 이용할 수 있는 자원이죠, 그렇죠? 자원도.
Solar battery can follow to mechanism number 4 also, and you can have inserted source of energy, but you can insert solar battery here, and it can be increasing of completeness via mechanism number 4. What yet? Who can be friend for follow to logical follow to model increasing of completeness? Principle number principle 23. Insert sensors. Principle 23 have name feedback. Feedback means using of sensors. Sensor, it is element from control system. Obligatory element from control system. And it is last step before robotic system. Every robotic system have not only one sensor. Every robotic system have big amount of sensors.
40까지 발명을 23번째 원리가 뭐죠? 피드백이죠, 피드백. 피드백이 되려면 뭐가 될까요? 당연히 어떤 상태인지 감지를 해야지 피드백을 할 수 있는 거잖아요. 그러니까 센서를 이용하는 얘기가 똑같은 얘기입니다. 일단 원리는. 그쵸? 말이 이게 바로 우리 말로 말하면 컨트롤 시스템을 추가시키는 거예요.
Okay. Okay, enough. I deliver for you full practical information, and let's try increase completeness for several objects.
Maybe 10 minutes break?
Yes, right now I spread, and after spread, you will think about lotus. Yeah? You kind of lotus. You will think about bottle. You will think about flesh. You will think.